Hello and welcome you all again in my channel once again. In this video I will show you the simple steps to hard reset your Iqoo Z3 5G phone. In my case I forgot my pin. So what scenario I can face? I will show you the simple steps you can follow and you can also unlock your device within 5 to 6 minutes. First of all, you have to long press your power key and these three options will be popped up and you have to select the power off button. Note one thing, the battery should be above 70% while performing this trick. So take a look at here. Now you have to press the volume up button and power key. After pressing both for 3 seconds, the screen will turn on. After turning on, you have to leave the power key, but you have to press and hold the volume up button. Only by that way it will reach the recovery mode. So as we can see, it has popped up some options for us. The first option is reboot. The second one is recovery mode. For clearing data and for hard reset we have to enter recovery mode. So how can we enter in that mode? The bottom there are three options as we saw. Just we have to press the down key and again power key to enter. After entering that, again we have three options. In first option we have install softwares. If we go inside that, it shows whether we can install via our internal memory or via networking. Then next is check system, that is checking the systems, and this is our main options. We have to press clear all data and we have to just click on OK. It will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes, depends on your storage, as I have nothing in my phone left, so that it was very fast. After this, for safety purpose, just I am clearing cache. After clearing cache, that's all. We have to press reboot. I want to tell you one thing. After we are rebooting for the first time, like hard reset, after hard resetting, when we are rebooting the device, it will take about 10 minutes or even 15 minutes. It depends on mobiles to mobile. So be patient, don't be panic. It is very normal case scenario, so that we have to be patient. Meanwhile, if you like our video, you can just hit the like button. If you dislike the video also, you can dislike this video. And if you have any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Also subscribe to this channel, it will help me a lot. I also did unboxing and camera samples, video game samples. You can check it on iCard. It's in top right section. So yeah, it booted. So it will be as we switched on for the first time. We should just do as it is, as we did for the first time. I'm just connecting to my Wi-Fi. This is an optional step. Just you can also skip this. You have to accept all the terms and conditions, unless then it won't show the skip button. So that's it. It will now ask for some simple steps and some simple tasks. I skipped all the Google's options, and these are all optional. I would prefer to just ignore that because it will lag my phone in futures. So that's all. Congratulations, it's as new as out of the box. So these are all the very simple steps you can follow and unlock your device. So that's it in this video, guys. If you like this, please hit the like button. If you have any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It helps me a lot. Thanks for watching.